Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own. No glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick. Put them in the windows, and you'll feel the difference. Your bills will decrease by almost half. This simple and affordable trick will seal your windows without needing a professional. Energy and heating costs are rising at an alarming rate, so it's important to minimize heat loss. It turns out that almost half of the heat that could stay in your home escapes through the windows. To keep the heat, all you need is this simple trick I'm about to show you. Everything you need can be found in your home, specifically in your kitchen. Just grab a dish sponge, which has far more uses than you might think. Start by cutting it into smaller pieces, or cut the sponge into medium-sized strips so they can easily fit into the gaps of your windows. Place these strips between the seal and the window frame, as it's often the faulty seals that cause leaks. You don't need to replace them, just use this trick. Attach the sponge with silver tape at the top and close the window. You'll see that the window seals better and your home will feel warmer. Place a flashlight into a large water bottle filled halfway. Use tape to attach it firmly. Make sure it's stable and secure. This setup creates a homemade light source that works perfectly when the power goes out or when you're traveling and need more soft, diffused light. Something so simple yet so effective. Give it a try next time you get the chance. Snow removal takes me just a few minutes. I no longer have to struggle with an icy sidewalk every morning. I found a method that effectively melts ice and prevents it from forming again. It's simple, inexpensive, and works instantly. Instead of using salt, which can damage surfaces and plants around the house, I use a homemade solution that works even in the coldest days. First, boil a liter of water in a kettle. Once it reaches boiling point, pour it into a large container. Then add 30 milliliters of dish soap, which helps reduce ice adhesion and makes it easier to remove. Next, add 60 milliliters of vinegar and the same amount of alcohol. Vinegar acts as a natural antifreeze, while alcohol speeds up the ice melting process. Mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now simply spray the icy surface, and the ice will start melting almost immediately. If there is a thicker layer of ice, you can reapply the solution to speed up the process. Additionally, using this mixture prevents re-icing, so you won't have to worry about a slippery sidewalk every day. Now all my neighbors are using this trick. Take this with you from home and spray the soles of your shoes. I don't leave the house in winter without it. Apply it thoroughly so the entire sole is covered. A slightly sticky layer forms, helping the sole grip slippery surfaces better. All you need is regular hairspray. It's an ideal solution for icy and wet sidewalks, especially when you need to head out right away. Remember to reapply it regularly, as the hairspray layer gradually wears off while walking. There's also another method that's just as simple and quick. Use adhesive bandages. Only 2 are enough. Stick them to the soles of your shoes, but the way you apply them matters. Placing them in an X shape creates an effective anti-slip layer. Do the same with the other shoe. Remember to replace the bandages when they wear out or peel off. Just like the hairspray, the effect isn't permanent, but it works very well and is more than enough for a short walk or getting to work safely. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle.
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks and freezing temperatures, you know regular de-icers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.